Hey everyone, here's a short screencast that will show you how to construct a random line along with a button that when you click on the button creates a new random line. So we will start by entering these commands in the input line and pressing enter one at a time. So what we're going to do first is we're going to enter the slope of our line. That's just going to kind of initialize our line, and we'll also enter the intercept, and then we will enter y equals slope times x plus the intercept. And then what we're going to do next is these next three commands are creating slopes that will be thirds, fourths, and fifths. Anywhere from -3 to 3. So for example, this command, slope thirds, will generate a list of numbers from -3 to 3 going by thirds. This one, slope fourths, will create a sequence of numbers from -3 to 3 going by fourths, and slope fifths creates a sequence of numbers going from -3 to 3 going by fifths. This next command takes these three lists, slope thirds, slope fourths, and slope fifths, and places them into one big super list called slope choices. And this is where I will get my slopes for this random line. And so what I've done is I've taken the union of slope thirds and slope fourths, and then I've taken that to create my super choices, the union of that and slope fifths. I've also created a set of intercept choices, and these are just going to be integers from -6 to 6. So after I input all of those commands, this is what my algebra view looks like. And so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to enter a button, or create a button, and that's found underneath the slider menu. Click on the button to activate the tool, and then click in a white space somewhere. I'm going to call my button new line, and then the commands I'm going to enter into that script are slope random element, slope choices. So I'm going to select a random element from this list, and I'm going to set that equal to the slope of my line. So instead of slope being 1, it's going to be a random element from my slope choices list. And the intercept will also be a random element from this list of my intercept choices. So let me grab these, copy them, and paste them into the GeoGebra script. And here's my new line. So every time I click on the button, I get a brand new line randomly generated. Slope is always between -3 and 3. So that's how to create a random line. I hope this screencast has been helpful, and what I will do next is I will show you how to add a self-checking feature for your students to practice graphing lines.